Hi Homeworthy, welcome to my home. My name's Cathy and come on in. I'm only messing, it's not Homeworthy. I'm just going to show you a little tour downstairs of the house now the estate agent has left, to give it a little look-see, and then I'll do an upstairs tour. So just messing about there. So this is my vestibule, which I wallpapered in hedgehog type nature wallpaper and black tongue and groove. The skirting and the data rail original. We replaced the door and replaced the vestibule door. So this is the hallway. The stairs going upstairs. I put dado rail in. This is the living room, which I call my craft / dining room. These are my tiles for the front doorstep, which I haven't done yet. This room used to be knocked through. We blocked it off because this used to be my son's bedroom. So I've got an armchair in here, so I like to have a sit and rest here with a brew. Often sometimes in the morning or maybe early evening. This is my salvage fireplace. Ignore the table, that's going on eBay soon to get that out of the way. There's nowhere else to stash it. This is a second-hand TV. This is here just to set the scene. I don't use it. This is the bay window and hatchery. My old dining table, which I've had for 20 plus years. Recently thrifted dining chairs. They were £10 each. And either end, 2 new green ones. So this plant stand and plant pot were thrifted. So were these boxes, index boxes. The Moroccan lamp's new. The print is thrifted with the frame. I've put one of those library lamps above it. And a radiator cover. Just to tidy it up. We did have the bikes in here, but I put them in the yard today. I had a good fight with them. And a pretty blue rug, which I bought new a few months ago. Excuse the box, I've just had a delivery. My son's new wicker basket came for his bedroom, so I just put that in. Oh, the estate agent and the postman came at the same time, but there you go. Hello, she was sulking, my dog, because I had her outside while the lady was here doing the valuation. Yeesh, yeesh. So my old trunk, I've had this for 20 odd years. It's Victorian. Some thrifted bits on the table. This door used to be a window when we moved in, and we got all the windows changed when we moved in, and this was changed into a door. Here's our goldfish, Mr. Fish, my sarcophagus, my clock that I got from a skip, photos of Egypt from eBay. My shelves and cupboards are from a company called the Furniture Market. They do absolutely beautiful furniture made of solid wood. Here's my latest wicker basket for logs and the dog toys. So I'd like to get another wicker basket for the bottom of the plant there to stand the plant pot in. These curtains were new and I added denim to the top because they were too short. The log burner. my lamp, another bookcase, all my little trunks. I'm absolutely shattered because I've done nothing but hoover and clean and move stuff around today. I'm really, really tired. So I'm glad she's gone and we're going to proceed. And the valuation she gave me was better than I thought it would be, to be honest. So I'm happy because the house hasn't been completely renovated. Some people gut it and start again. I haven't done that. Here's my library light. Gorgeous Luty. Right, so we're going into my pantry area. There's my dresser. I built the bottom completely myself. I put a new back on the dresser top. I made the cupboard under the stairs into a pantry. So I've got all my small appliances in there. And behind the curtains, more tubs like this one. And it's a great place to stash the hoover, my brush, my ironing board and my iron as well, so everything's all out of the way, nice and neat. I've got shelves above from scrap wood. And ceramic tiles on the floor. And then this is the kitchen. Unfortunately, the first thing you see is the side of the fridge and the bins, but there you go. I'm going to put the light on. I've cleaned the ceiling and cleaned the lampshade. So shattered. Scrubbed the floor today as well. Here's my bench. Benchette, banquette, whatever you want to call it. My thrifted tables and chairs, which were 20 quid. Nice little blankie from Asda there. Vintage tablecloth, which I absolutely love, with the green scallopy trim. Bought that about a year ago. Some of these cushions I made myself, as well as making the bench myself. And the top is a garden bench cushion, so it's waterproof. So I've moved some of my plants so there's a little bit more to see the garden outside. It's one of my old cupboards. I didn't buy a new door for that. I did buy doors for the others. The shelf came from the top of the old fireplace. My little shelf I made from scraps of wood, and recently I've drawn some flowers on it, daisy-like flowers. Made a curtain a few years ago to cover the washing machine. Got the Belfast sink. I've actually put my cupboard on today, my cupboard door today, so been up since 7. Put the cupboard door on today. These doors are all new, the blue ones are new. I bought in a job lot, and this oak one I bought separately. I blocked in the pipes. I took some of the plants off the window so you could see outside a bit better. These shelves are bathroom shelves. I've got a Victorian era to dry bits and bobs, so I put a new pretty tea towel on it to make it look nice for the estate agents. This is the cooking area next to the fridge. So these have got new doors as well. The cooker's knackered, that needs to be taken away. The thrifted kettle, the cruise one. Plate rack to make it look cottagey. Copper utensils because I can't afford copper pans. My coffee machine's 5-6 years old. This is a thrifted pot. These are new doors. And this is our downstairs bathroom. So when we moved in, we had the sink replaced, a Burlington sink, bathroom cabinet, which I've painted a few months ago, a mosaic I made years ago from coffee tabletop, shelf, toilet we replaced when we moved in, shower screen we put in because the water was going everywhere. The electric shower was replaced a few months ago, and this wall I tiled because it was a mess and it was full, well, it fell to pieces. Yeah. And I painted the walls, ceiling and the woodwork all in the same colour, Egyptian cotton colour drenching, and there's loads of plants on this window. And that's in the little bathroom shelf there. So I love me bench. I think it's got a storage bench. So one side, instead of having a washing basket, the washing goes in there, and that washing basket is for dry towels, so you can get a towel out when you're in the shower. So there you go. Let me know which bits you like the best. I love me Welsh dresser I made as well. Dog's crashed out. She was upset because she was outside. And my new wicker basket, Mr. Ranger. So there you go. Have a quick look, see the living room again, dining room. Love me lamp. That's a vintage onyx one. Oh. So please like, share and subscribe. And I'm so tired. I've done all kinds today. So I'm just going to veg out the rest of the day. I've done a short showing you my thrifted finds this week. And bye for now.